आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल ही छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल ही छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा। महक जाऊं मैं आज तो ऐसे, फूल बगिया में महके हैं जैसे, बादलों की मैं ओढ़ूं चुनरिया, झूम जाऊं मैं बन के बावरिया, अपनी चोटी में बांध लूं दुनिया। ये है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। यही छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा। काका येतात नि काकी येते छान छान गावी देऊन जाते माझ्या या घरातून कोण कोण येते काका दादा दोन्ही वहिनी येते दाणे देऊन जाते माझ्या गावात मी आई येते छान गोड गोड पापी देऊन जाते. थँक्यू. घालूया शाळेत मी घेऊन जाईन तिला शाळेच्या वेळेत. आई तिला गाणवेल देशील शेवून छोटंसं दप्तर देशील शेवून. भावी नको आई सांगू का तुला माझ्यातली पोळी भाजी देईन मी तिला. थँक्यू. अगं चिमणे हे धराने डाळे हायची मुठभर सांडू नको साठेभर. पोळ्या कर 8 9 भात मऊ मऊ पिल्लू केला नाहू खान पोटभर जेवू खान. थँक्यू. देश का सिपाही हूँ बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद. रास्ते पे चलूंगा ना डर डर के चाहे मुझे जीना पड़े मर मर के. मंदिर से पहले ना लूंगा कोई दम आगे आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम. गलने वाले हम. Thank you.
Very good.
Children Day celebrating on 14 November. It is the birth anniversary of Pandit Nehru. Nehruji loved children very much. He was the first Prime Minister of India. Thank you. Today is 14th of November. We are celebrating Children Day. At first, I wish you all a very happy Children Day. It is the first Prime Minister of. It is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He is the first Prime Minister of India. Children Day is very happy day for children. Thank you, Ravi. Today is 14 November. I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Today is birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was first Prime Minister of India. Children fondly called him Chacha Nehru. Nehruji believed that children are future of nation. So children should be brought up with lot of love and care. Let's celebrate this day. Thank you. कपड़ों खिलौनों की है मेरी एक अलमारी. इतनी चीजें रखती उसमें बंद ना बेचारी. जोर लगा के बंद कर दी तो मुश्किल आए भारी. जब भी खोलूं फिर से उसको चीजें गिर जाए सारी. थैंक यू. Garden, we are the stars in the sky. We are the children. We want to shine. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. We are the lights in the darkness. We are the future of our nation. We are the children. We want to shine. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Thank you. I study in first standard. Today we are celebrating Children's Day. Children's Day celebrated on 14th November. It is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. We lovely call him Chacha Nehru. He loved children very much. Children also love him. He always said that children are the future of the nation. Let us be kind and smart children. Thank you and happy children. Today we speak about Chacha Nehru. His full name was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was born on 14th November. He was first Prime Minister of India. He lost two children and made up. Children call him Chacha Nehru. Thank you. Lala chincha ton jala tutu meat masala kaiji board. Tanya manya ambal board. Thank you. Have a great day. देऊन जाते. काका येतात नि काकी येते. छान छान गाणी देऊन जाते. माझ्या या घरातून कोण कोण येते, कोण कोण येते. काका दादा दोन्ही बहिणी येते. नेटाने देऊन जाते. माझ्या बाबा येतात नि आई येते. छान गोड गोड पापी देऊन जाते. थँक्यू. This Prime Minister of India. His birthday is celebrated on Children's Day. Children's Day. My name is Arohi. Number 1. Children's Day is a very joyful day for the students. It is celebrated on 14th November. It is the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved children very much and children finally called him Chacha Nehru. This day reminds us that children are the future of nation. Thank you. Children's Day is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehruji on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad. Nehruji is the first Prime Minister of India. He gave the of India. Thank you. बालमित्रांनो सर्वांना माझा नमस्कार. माझे नाव शिवाय शास्त्री. आज मी तुम्हाला पंडित नेहरू या विषयी 2 शब्द सांगणार आहे. पंडित नेहरू यांचा जन्म 14 नोव्हेंबर रोजी अलाहाबाद येथे झाला. त्यांनी सहभाग घेतला. स्वतंत्र भारताचे ते पहिले पंतप्रधान झाले. त्यांना आधुनिक भारताचे शिल्पकार म्हणतात. त्यांना लहान मुले व गुलाबाची फुले खूप आवडायची. त्यांना फुले प्रेमाने चाचा म्हणत. दरवर्षी आपण त्यांचा साजरा करतो. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.
Hands up and clap loudly. Very good. Stop it. Stop it.
Good morning everyone. My name is Obi. At first I wish you all very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November every year. The birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much. Children called him Chacha Nehru. Teachers and students celebrate together. It reminds us that children are the future of our country. We should love and care for all children. Happy Children's Day to all my dear friends. Thank you. Which is on November 14, the birthday of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Chacha Nehru loved children very much and believed that children are the future of the nation. He wanted every child to be happy, healthy and educated. On this day, let's remember Chacha Nehru love for us. Thank you and happy November. Today we are celebrating Children's Day. It is the birthday of Chacha Nehru. He loved children very much. He was the first Prime Minister of India. Day of joy for children. Let's feel live with love. Once again, happy Children's Day. Thank you. Remember, we are celebrating Children's Day. I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is the birthday of the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much. Children are the future of our country. We should grow them happily. Jai Hind. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Sarika from grade 2. Today we are celebrating Children's Day. It is on 14th November every year. This day is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved children very much. He was India's first Prime Minister. Children called him Chacha Nehru. This is very special day for all of us. From grade 2, respected principal, all teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad. His full name was Jawaharlal Motilal Nehru. His birthday is celebrated as the Children's Day. He loved children and was called Chacha Nehru. Nehru was first Prime Minister of India. Nehru liked red rose and always put on his coat. Aram Haram Hai was his slogan. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. From grade 2, today we are celebrating Children's Day. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was a great leader. He was born on 14 November in Allahabad. He is the first Prime Minister of India. His father name is Motilal Nehru. His mother name is Subhapanli Nehru. He loved children very much. Children called him Chacha Nehru. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Thank you. Today is 14 November 2025 and we are celebrating Children's Day. Today is, at first, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Today is the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved spending time with children. Children fondly called them Chacha Nehru. This day reminds us how children are important in our country. We always remember that today children are the key to the future. We must invest their education, health and well-being. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. आज उद्या पण निरंतर आपल्यामध्ये जिवंत असल्याचे पाहतो. सर्वात आधी सगळ्यांना माझा नमस्कार. माझे नाव आदिती आहे. मी इयत्ता 3रीत शिकते. आज 14 नोव्हेंबर म्हणजे बालदिन. हा दिवस पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू यांचा जन्मदिन आहे. त्यांचा जन्म 14 नोव्हेंबर 1889 रोजी अलाहाबाद येथे झाला. त्यांना फुले आणि मुले खूप आवडत. मुले त्यांना चाचा नेहरू म्हणत. माझं भाषण तर झालं आहे. मी आता तुमच्यासमोर छोटीशी कविता सादर करणार आहे. ती तुम्ही शांत चित्तेने ऐकावी ही माझी नम्र विनंती. ही कविता अशी आहे की आपले शिक्षक, आई, वडील, आजी, आजोबा यांच्या भावना आहेत. बालपणी होते स्वच्छंद खेळाचे क्षण, बालपणी होते सुखाचे धन, बालपणीच्या आठवणी खरपते मान, पुन्हा कधी येणार नाही ते सोनेरी क्षण.
He is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much. On this day, many programs are organized in schools. Children are the future of nation. Thank you.
सादर करतात. बोले जय श्री राम, बोले जय श्री राम, बोले जय श्री राम. हर घर में एक ही नाम गूंजेगा. बोले जय हर घर में एक ही नाम गूंजेगा.
a very happy Children's Day. We are celebrating Children's Day. Today is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He really loved children very much. Children fondly called him Chacha Nehru. Children's Day is very happy day for the children. Thank you. Principal, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Gauri Sandeep Bhagat. I am studying in class 3. As you all know that today we celebrate Children's Day. Today is 14 November. Is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much. Children's Day is a day of joy and happiness for all kids. I wish you all happy Children's Day. Thank you. आजचा दिवस निरागस बालकांचा. आजचा दिवस चाचा नेहरूंचा जन्मदिन. आजचा दिवस सगळ्यांचा आवडता बालदिन. आजचा सगळ्यांचा आवडता बालदिन. सर्वांना माझा नमस्कार. मी तेजस्विनी सुरेवांदे आहे. मी आज तुम्हाला बालदिनाबद्दल काही दोन शब्द सांगणार आहे. ते तुम्ही शांत चित्ताने ऐकावे अशी माझी नम्र विनंती. मित्रांनो, आज आपल्या भारत देशाचे पहिले पंतप्रधान पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू यांचा जन्मदिन. त्यांचे जन्मदिन म्हणजे 14 नोव्हेंबर. या दिवशी बालदिन म्हणून साजरा केला जातो. मित्रांनो, जगात अशा खूप गोष्टी आहेत ज्या विकत घेता येतात. बालपण ही अशी गोष्ट आहे जी कधीच विकत घेता येऊ शकत नाही. सर्वांना बालदिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. मित्रांनो, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू यांना लहान मुले खूप आवडत असे. लहान मुले त्यांना प्रेमाने चाचा नेहरू म्हणत. संपूर्ण देशभरात बालदिन मोठ्या उत्साहाने साजरा केला जातो. क्रांतिकाळाची सौम्य उज्ज्वलता व विरजणाचा खळखळाट म्हणजे मुले. अशा या बालकांना बालदिनाच्या शुभेच्छा देऊन मी माझे 2 शब्द संपवते. जय हिंद, जय भारत. My name is Kasturi Sandeep Bhagat. I am studying in class 3rd. As you all know that today we celebrate Children's Day. Today is 14th November is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much. The Children's Day is a day of joy and happiness for all kids. Thank you. Today I am speak about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was first Prime Minister of India. He born on 14 November 1889. His father's name was Motilal Nehru. His mother's name was Swaruprani. Thank you. बालदिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. आदरणीय मुख्याध्यापक, प्राचार्य व सर्व माझ्या बालमित्रांनो, आज मी तुम्हाला बालदिनाबद्दल काही शब्द सांगणार आहे. भारताचे पहिले पंतप्रधान पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू यांचा 14 नोव्हेंबर हा जन्मदिन व बालदिन म्हणून साजरा केला जातो. पंडित नेहरूंचे लहान मुलांवर खूप प्रेम होते. पंडित नेहरूंना लहान मुलेही प्रेमाने त्यांना चाचा नेहरू म्हणायची. लहान मुलेही फुलाप्रमाणे नाजूक असतात. लहान मुलेही देशाचे भविष्य असूनही त्यांना प्रेमाने व आपुलकीने सांभाळले पाहिजे असते ते असे म्हणायचे. धन्यवाद. Today is Children's Day. Please celebrate Children's Day. कौलारावर थेंबट पोरे तरम तर तरम. म्हातारी हरभरे परडते ढगात गडगड गडम. थेंबासोबत वीज कोसळे कडम कडकड कडम. थेंबाभोवती जलात उडती तरंग थरथर India.